Yo, what's good? So, today is December 2 na. So, nga pala, sorry. Medyo, medyo late yung mga upload ko gawa ng yun nga. Pero hinabol ko naman actually ngayon is day 36 na yung na-upload ko. As you guys can see here. Boom. So, this video will be day, I would say day 37. So day 36 is ang kinita natin is let me show you guys is ito $329. So nung day 35 meron tayong 165 lang. So nung the next day, which is day 36, umabot tayo ng 300, which is naman, not bad. Tapos so far, pinaka highest day natin is ito, $546, no? And then yung isa, yan, for $77. They actually, I would say, 500 na rin yan. Hindi kasi umabot yung isang sale eh. Parang ilang minuto lang, or parang 1 minute lang may bumili. So, okay lang. So, ngayon, as of now, day 37, we're at, ngayon is, actually hindi ko man nasasabihin. So, bali, pag natapos na lang. So, ibang na kasi ito eh, day 37, day 36, which is, day 37 para, sorry, formally ako, which is, ito nga, $329. So, yeah, hopefully, kahit makaano din tayo kahit $300, no, kinabukasan para, naman, so, and, actually ngayon may active card na isa, and boom, so, let's see if bibili yan. So, tingnan natin. Puro US yung active ngayon. Actually, puro US yung active ngayon. So, pero gagawin ko is, 6.98 conversion rate. Boom. Hindi pa ito nag-viral eh. No? Pero, $160 na tayo. So, which is crazy. Kumbaga, 4 AM pa lang. So, hopefully, 300 tayo. So, yun lang. Mga pala guys, in total, kumita na tayo ng, nakarang 56K tayo. So, ito, computing ko lang. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Wait lang ha. USD to PHP. Oops. USD to PHP. Yan. So, ito na yung total na kinita natin, guys. From 59. From 59, diba? So, ito na. Crazy. May kaya natin yung 1 million in less than a year. Probably. Siguro. Pero, yeah. Umaasa pa rin ako na mahit natin yan. So, oh my God, bro. What? Ako. Antok na ako. Fuck, man. Grabe. Ilang araw na naman akong puyat. So, yeah, guys. Saan tayo? Balita ko naman kayo. Ito dito. Yeah, focus. So, yeah. Yan lang. Good luck, guys. Hopefully, maka 300 man na tayo bukas. So, yeah. See you.